little bit about how we represent data. And we're going to focus on a circle graph today. This is the last section of our probability and statistics unit. So this is day 4 of chapter 0, section 13. A circle graph is basically a visual representation of data using a divided up circle. So you've seen these before. Ooh, look at that, that would go perfect. So let's just say we polled 100 students. We'll make this simple numbers. And let's say 40%, so we're going to go not halfway of the circle, but a little bit less than halfway of the circle. 40% of the students said they had fish. And let's say 25%, so not that much, 25% said they had cats, and then the rest, the 35% said they had dogs. So if we want to figure out, well, how many students had a fish, we would say, well, we want to figure out what is 40% of 100 students, or whatever our population would be. If we were talking about 2,000 students, we would use 2,000. And basically multiply, now some of them are going to be fractions, so it might say like 1/3 or 2/3. You're going to multiply the fraction or the percent by the total amount to figure out how much each slice or how much each part of your circle graph represents. So 40% as a decimal is 0.4. Of means to multiply, and then 100. And we get 40 students that would have fish as pets. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples here. Make a list of the least common coin to the most common coin. So we just look here. The largest slice is going to be the silver coins. So we want from the least to the most. So we're going to put silver coins at the end. The smallest piece is going to be the 2/9, the copper part, the copper one. So we're going to go, copper will be first, gold would be second, and then silver would be last. And if you weren't sure, you could always take these decimals. We have a common denominator of 9. Well, this would be the same as 3 times 3 is 9, so 1 times 3 is 3/9. So we were comparing 4/9, 2/9, and 3/9, and then you could easily see which ones has the most. If there were 207 coins, how many silver coins were there? So we're looking at this, and we're going to take 4/9 of, multiply by 207. Uh-oh, a little slow there. So go ahead, multiply 4/9, so 4 divided by 9 in your calculator, times 207, and you should get 92 silver coins. Part C, if there were 207 coins, how many gold coins were there? So now we're looking over here. We know 1/3 were gold, so 1/3 times 207 equals 69 coins that were gold. And if there were 207 coins, how many copper coins were there? So copper is 2/9. So we're going to take 2/9 and times it by 207, and we should get 46 copper coins. The last one, it uses percentages. If a total of 40 kilograms of food were eaten, how much more was eaten by cricket? So we're looking at dog food consumption here. We have cricket and Shasta. So Shasta's over here, cricket is over here. So let's figure out, cricket ate more, cricket ate 25%. So what is 25% or 0.25 of 40? We should get 10 kilograms of food per, oops, that was not Shasta, that was cricket. Then we have Shasta, who ate 15% or 0.15 times 40 kilograms. Chesta only ate 6 kilograms of food. Now it asks us how much more was eaten, so then we need to subtract. 10 minus 6 will be 4 kilograms that Cricket ate more than Chesta. Okay? I will double check on the IXL, but that should be the right track below. If it's not, I will definitely let you know. Pay attention to Power School. If you have any questions, please, please, please don't feel free to reach out to me or Mrs. Varant, and we can help you out. All right? Thanks. It's a perfect day to be. You know it. A better me.